Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me for you today. I'm using this super pretty floral kit from Soda Pop Studio. I believe this was a mystery kit last year, and the extra sheet is from Little Miss Paperie. These are the washi tapes I pulled from my collection to use with this week. I think they're so gorgeous. I am using gold foil, and then these are the two pens I'm using, my Sharpie pen and my Taiwanese marking pen for the glossy stickers. So let's get started. I am in a rush actually, so I didn't have time to look at the questions from previous plan with me, so I apologize for that. So this week I'm just going to explain what I'm doing here. I put down 2 strips of washi because actually one of the washi tapes that came with the kit wasn't sized properly. So instead I pulled in the mint and gold foiled bow washi from Simply Gilded, and then this really pretty watercolor florals one which matches perfectly, so I thought that worked out really well. I'm not sure where I got that one, it might have been a gift. Then I'm pulling in these glitter headers. These are from my shop and I'm alternating them for the week. I usually like to do this for every week, and typically I use my glitter headers, but sometimes I use other shops as well. I do remember getting a question on whether I pre-plan or post-plan, and the answer is that I do both. Sometimes when I'm really busy and I need to have a more structured day to get things done, then I will pre-plan. If not, I'll just wait till after and fill things out. And that's been working really well for me. I will say the days that I do actually plan out are more productive than the days that I post plan. So it's nice to plan ahead, but sometimes plans are flexible. Sometimes I don't have any plans at all, or I'm spending time with, say, my sister and we don't know what we're doing yet. So I do want my planner to be mostly accurate because it does serve as a memory keeper as well as a planner. So I don't mind post planning that. Moving over to the sidebar, I put down the full box that says Hello Beautiful. This striped washi is from Simply Gilded. I am putting myself on no spends because I have booked a lot of travel and purchases lately. Then I put down another tracker to remind myself to moisturize because my skin's been really dry and I've been bad at moisturizing it. I put down a washi strip with the kitty holding my name from NSFW by CA next to an envelope. She's so cute, I love her. Oh, the little heart that I put in the corner is from Simply Watercolor Co, and it is gold foiled as well. So the first thing that I'm doing for Monday is putting down this bow washi, and then I put down a little thing because my sister and I went to try out this new Thai place. These twin girls are from Kina Prints. Then I put down a shopping bag from Lily Henry because I had to make a return at Uniqlo. While we were at the mall, we decided to get Starbucks, so I put down a Starbucks sticker from Moonlight Paper Co on top of this scallop and wrote Coffee Monday, of course. Afterwards, we went to Trader Joe's to buy some groceries to meal prep, and I put down a grocery girl from Van Sticky to mark that. Then I brought in one of these heart arrows from my shop just to add some interest and cuteness to the spread. And then I put down a triple cloud checklist also for my shop because I had a few things I wanted to get done that day. And I wanted to use this cute meal prep sticker from Once More With Love, but it didn't fit in that space there. So I decided to layer it on top of this strip of washi and use another heart arrow to point to it instead. And I really like the way that that turned out. This gold foiled washi is from Target. It came in a pack with like 4 other foiled washis, like silver and rose gold and like a champagne gold, I think. In the evening, I decided to wind down because I picked up those little canned wines from Trader Joe's. I used a wine sticker from Little Paper Prints next to a wind down sticker from Little Miss Paperie. After crossing some things off for Monday, I move on to Tuesday, and the first thing I put down was this gorgeous full box. I hung out with Carolyn today, or that day. We had our career coffee date and dinner as usual, and so I used a little thing with the Carolyn bunny from her shop. It's a digital and I made it into stickers, and I love using it to mark every time we hang out. I also used a laptop girl from My Newest Addiction. You guys know she's one of my favorites. I, instead of applying to jobs, decided to work on Etsy stuff that day, so I pulled in an Etsy sticker from the kit and a work sticker from my shop. Afterwards, we went to get dinner, and it was like an American sports bar kind of place. We had nachos, onion rings, and all that good stuff. And then we got ice cream for dessert, so I used an ice cream sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio. When I got home, I watched the new episode of The Resident that came out on Monday. I used a little thing with a heart icon that came with a kit. Again, crossing stuff off as the week progresses. On Wednesday, the first thing that I put down was a little thing and a coffee sticker from my shop because, of course, I love marking coffee every day, or every day that I have it, which is pretty much every day. Then I put down a strip of bow washi. This is the white with gold foil, which is really stunning. It's one of my favorites, or it's grown to be one of my favorites because it just matches with any gold foiled spread you do, and it's just so simple. I did that to separate out some space because I had some downtime before I started working on YouTube stuff for the day. So then I pulled in this half box with a record sticker and a glittery film slate for my shop because I did film some videos on that day. I also wanted to send a return back, so I used a little thing with a package icon from Paperie. I cut up a full box because I didn't need that entire space. I had other things going on at night, but for a good chunk of the afternoon I did edit, so I used that full box that's cut up to mark out that chunk of time. I pulled in a laptop that came in the sheet from Little Miss Paperie with an edit sticker from my shop. I also pulled in a clear gold foiled bow from Simply Watercolor Co. because I thought it was really cute, and I've been loving the thing that the Shine Squad has been doing where they stick it on top of a half box or something like that. Then I put down a washi strip as the background for this book hotel sticker from Love Shaira. I really needed to book my New York hotel for the Wonton in a Million party before the prices went up because New York is expensive, y'all. In the evening, I also wanted to work on orders. That munchkin you all know is from Once More with Love. I also wanted to work on some gifts, so this gift label is from Planner Frenzy. Moving on to Thursday, the first thing I put down was Chick-fil-A because my sister and I got Chick-fil-A for breakfast. The fries sticker is from the Coffee Monsterz Co. Then I wanted to go to the post office to drop off the orders I was working on. The mail sticker is from Peanut Butter Taco. Then I pulled in this skinny lavender bow washi to separate some space there. Wow, I had a lot of trouble with this washi tape. It's probably because my planner is open and the coil was in the way. Anyway, I'm adjusting that now because underneath I wanted to fit a coffee sticker from Once More with Love. Then I put down a full box to mark down the time of the day where I worked on Etsy and YouTube stuff. So first I put down a glittery film slate and a record sticker from my shop. Then I put down a monitor sticker from Little Paper Prints with the edit sticker from that same sheet from the YouTuber set for my shop. Then I undo this record part. I have no idea why I did that because I end up putting it down the exact same way. I don't know what I was thinking. Then I put down this little thing because I wanted to clean my room. It is quite messy. This clean icon, or the spray bottle icon, is from the kit, as well as this laundry icon. I also needed to take the trash out because it was getting full. And again, the trash icon came with the kit. I love these icons that Soda Pop Studio uses. Then I went back to the full box and put down a little thing to mark that I needed to print and cut. So I used an emoji from the Coffee Monsterz Co. to mark that. Then I put back down the record and film slate. I also wanted to do a face mask on that evening, so I used a love boat. And lastly, I put down a heart arrow where the print and cut is because I really wanted to use it, and I think it's so cute. On Friday, the first thing that I put down was another washi strip. Again, having a little bit of trouble cutting my washi. I'm not sure what my deal is, but I'm just cleaning up the edges there and adjusting it because it wasn't straight. Then I put down a half box because my sister and my parents went to dim sum, or I went with them, I guess, and I used a dim sum sticker from Wonton in a Million because it was the 4 of us, which is perfect. Afterwards, I made myself a coffee before I got stuff done for the day, excuse me. I choked on my coffee, so that's why my voice is kind of hoarse right now. I wanted to record my March monthly on that day, so I put down another glittery film slate, and to separate out, or actually just to fill up that space there, I put down some more bow washi. Then I pull in another heart arrow to connect the film slate and the record that I wrote down. In the evening, I wanted to upload the plan with me I had been working on that day. I used a little thing with a YouTube button from the Coffee Monsterz Co. In the evening, I helped my mom buy some wedding gifts because they are, well, I guess we are going to a wedding next week, which is this week as I'm recording this voiceover. So we wanted to buy some gifts for them. I used a bow from Simply Watercolor Co. on top of a quarter label. I also used the money icon. And in the evening, I needed to print and cut some more because I had quite a few orders to work on, and I'm using a munchkin to mark that. Moving on to the weekend, the first thing I put down is a weekend banner that came with the kit. Then I put down a coffee sticker. This is so pretty. It came with the kit, and it matches the theme of this spread. Then I put down this label because my brother was home for the weekend, which was so exciting. I missed him a lot. I used a gold foiled home icon from Planning World. We went to Sprouts together to pick up some groceries. I used a quarter label with a grocery icon that came with the kit. We also got boba together, and I'm using one of my favorites, the Lola from Banana Doodle Shop with her boba. Then when I got home, I wanted to edit, and I used a monitor or computer sticker from EricaGDesigns. In the evening, I just had a Hulu binge, super chill day. I used a full box and then a little thing on top with a TV icon. I also used this Champagne Problems sticker from NSFW by CA. It's the digital. I made it into a sticker because I love that so much. I'd much prefer hashtag Champagne Problems to hashtag First World Problems because I think it's way cuter and kind of funny. I'm not sure what my hashtag Champagne Problem was on Saturday night, but who knows. Anyway, on Sunday I slept in, so I pulled in the half box or the full box that I cut up with a pillow sticker from My Newest Addiction. Then I had a salad for lunch, and I used, well, both the salad and the coffee stickers are from Happy Dia Stickers. In the evening, I did edit, so I used a laptop from Lily Henry to mark that. And I also worked on orders, so I used a half box with a bow and a munchkin, as I've been doing. Now I'm just filling everything out. So let me show you guys what stickers I have left. I will be giving away the leftovers in my April monthly plan with me, or monthly highlights, which should be coming soon. So that's about it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.